and you end up probably in some kind of domestic, ultimately hit him in the head so hard with a pan that you actually cave in the front of his skull, and then you stabbed him no less than 12 times. And you know what? I was the only one in the courtroom that knew what kind of knife that was. And it was a big old long fillet knife. Because I used it to fillet pike and muskie and salmon. And I'll tell you, you gutted him like a fish in that apartment too. You were relentless. You stabbed, you stabbed, you stabbed, you stabbed, you stabbed until he was dead. You didn't think he was an intruder. You know, maybe one stab wound, okay. Maybe that's 7 defense. But you put in 11 more to make sure he was good and dead. So I agree with the family. I hope you die in prison as well. You know, and if this was a death penalty state, you'd be getting the chair. You have 42 days to appeal my sentence if you think I've legally erred anyway.
All right, and that's one of the questions. And I love the judge, and I love his passion, speaking the truth, because many times I think a little too much deference and respect is given to convicted killers, convicted murderers, and that's who this woman is. That's who she was.
But you know what?
Wait, Darren, let me finish here. Let me finish here, Mr. Kavanoki. May it please the court, milady.
It's your show, okay.
Milady.
All right, milady.
And I know everyone's going to talk about appeals and everything, but the beauty of an appeal is that what does the appellate court do? They read a transcript. So they don't hear the screaming. They don't hear the yelling. They just read the words. And his words on paper, I don't think, are going to overturn any conviction.
And they didn't show her disrespect for the court by rolling her eyes and shaking her head and laughing. So you know what? That's what set him off, and she deserves to die in jail. And I'd like to shake that judge's hand.
Yeah. But here's the problem. Yeah, but the judge opens the door by making that kind of a speech. It now creates an argument that when you now know his point of view and you look back over the record of the trial, it's going to render his legal ruling suspect. And by the way, Vinnie, it's not that anybody's showing deference to the defendant, to the killer. It's deference and respect for the system. Yes. We expect more out of our judges. That's why Lady Justice is blind.
Milady.
She should be muzzled like me, too.
But Judge McBain isn't.
Go ahead, Jenny.
No, I mean, I think that's right. She's a killer. We don't expect her not to roll her eyes.
What did he do legally wrong? What did he do legally wrong, the judge?
I think he injected his personal emotion. This isn't about him. And when he added, I know about the knife, what does that have to do with sentencing her? What does that have to do with what a just sentence is?
Well,
I thought it was over the top.
The jury was not told that, obviously, for whatever reason. But
and that's what makes it worse, because it was the kind of knife that he fillets a fish with. She killed her husband. Yes, it's a bad thing. Yeah.
And gutted him just like he was talking about gutting a fish.
It's the nature of the offense.
Particularly heinous.
Hang on. The judge is supposed to be dispassionate, like a referee in a sporting event. When the judge then injects that personal statement of, I hope you die in prison, that's like an NFL player going up to catch the pass and the referee swats it down. It's just not how the game is played fairly. You don't expect that from your trial judge.
And what does it add? I mean, what does his emotion have to do with it? He's supposed to be the scales of justice. He's supposed to be the even one, and now
here's why I like it. Here's
became an advocate.
Why I like it.
Yes.
You know,
which is fine with me.
He sat there during the trial. He made his rulings, and now when it's time for sentencing, he listened to the arguments, he weighed them all, and he came to a decision. And he believes in his decision. And what it also does for the victim's family in this case is give them a little something, because they're not going to get closure. They get justice, but they don't get true justice. True justice is their loved one still being alive and this person locked up forever. But it gives them, I think, a little something on the way out of the courtroom, and it gives the victim's side something here.
But that's very close to pandering. And this woman has a family, too, and they're in the courtroom, and they have a loss, too. Not that it's even, but that it should be respected. And I don't think he showed respect.
And the judge,
they can go visit her.
The judge threatens. The judge threatens the very verdict, though, Vinnie. But when the judge exercises that kind of an emotional outburst, he threatens the very verdict that he's so outraged by. So we really do rely on our judicial officers to keep their emotions in check, just like our police officers, Mike Brooks. We have a higher standard for people that are out there enforcing the law, not to be emotionally triggered. That's for us.
Yeah, but when the appellate court reads the transcript,
they'll
just read words on paper. Christy Paul.
All righty, let's talk about